Well, that's interesting you'd have that opinion there. So what you're really saying is that the USA educational system is teaching the correct thing, while whatever country you come from is teaching the incorrect information. If you go through and do an honest academic search for how many continents there are on the planet Earth, you will learn that there are 7 continents, plus an 8th pseudo-continent. I challenge you, if you're going to treat Eurasia as a single continent, name all 7 continents plus the 8th pseudo-continent. You won't be able to because you're missing a continent when you do that. So what you actually have going on is you have what's called supercontinents. And we're not talking about the Pangea type supercontinents. We're talking about supercontinents that are coming together that will eventually form into the next Pangea type supercontinent, which scientists have already determined they're going to call Pangea Ultima. So right now, you have 3 continents that are merging into a supercontinent. You have 2 other continents that are merging into a supercontinent. Now, the first supercontinent we're going to talk about is the American supercontinent, composed of 2 continents, the North American continent and the South American continent. The next supercontinent we're going to talk about is called the Eurasian supercontinent, which is composed of the Asian continent and the European continent. Some people want to go ahead and start lumping Africa in there because the land masses are touching each other already. However, some people want to wait until the Mediterranean Sea closes up completely before calling it the Afro-Eurasian supercontinent. So the Afro-Eurasian supercontinent is composed of Africa, Europe, and Asia. Now, those of you going around calling Eurasia a continent are mislabeling it. That is a supercontinent composed of 2 separate continents, Asia and Europe. Now, if your schools are teaching you that Eurasia is a continent and not a supercontinent, then your educational system is failing you on the labeling of continents. Because if you do an honest academic search, you will find that there are 7 continents plus an 8th pseudo-continent called Oceania, which is made up of all the islands scattered throughout the ocean. It's a pseudo-continent because it's not a real continent. It's just land masses that are not part of the other continents. Like Madagascar is not part of Oceania. It's part of the African continent. It's just the saddle of land between Madagascar and the main African continent is just flooded with ocean water, but it's still part of the African continent. So other than that, going back to your original statement, what you're actually identifying is that the United States of America educational system has your country beat when it comes to the education on continents and geography.